In this video, we're gonna download the cash flow statement. So we're gonna work with the same file as we did before. I will copy this balance sheet file and I will paste it in my folder. I will change it to cash flow statements. Download cash flow. And I will create two new folders. Cash flow and cash flow Q. I will change it here. And everything can stay the same. Just here I will change the balance sheet to cash flow. And it will save again to a CSV file. It will save it in the folder cash flow, and I will run those cells. Everything has been saved to the cash flow folder. I will check if it works. And we have all the cash flow information for the last 4 years. Now we're going to download the quarterly cash flow information. So the only thing I have to change here is to add a Q, and I will change the folder. I will rerun the cell with the folder, so he will not overwrite it. And I will rerun that cell, and it's going to save all the quarterly cash flow information to the folder. I will check if it works. And we have all the quarterly cash flow information of the stocks we have downloaded. So this is how we can download a cash flow statement from Yahoo Finance using Yahoo Query.